Y'all fellas are too damn funny for me not to be running a gate. Hey Uncle Benny, hey Freight Train. Let's hear that fighting mode one more time.
Red Bear, Red Freight Train, 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 go! You say woman the red and freight, there it is, Freight Train, gone, Freight Train, gone.
Freight Train, Freight Train, Freight Train, and Freight Train's gone.
And now the roars, and let that be a lesson to them. Freight Train in Maryland, back out.
Putting them into place. Hey Freight Train, good day, good day. The video gate don't lie. I said the video gate don't lie. And 920. We're gonna do it one more time, then we're gonna cut it off and upload it. But it's been a pleasure, fellas.
I shot that AM on him till you use up all of that street. Okay, Freight Train. Uncle Benny, all that being radio now. Uncle Benny rocking on.
Alright there, Uncle Benny. Freight Train had it, then you came on top, but I think because he unkeyed. But you know how it goes? Just jump up on YouTube and search y'all's call signs, and don't forget, subscribe and like.
Very good to see you at the band family. 9920 Freight Train. Red Bear, Uncle Benny, Uncle Benny, Uncle Benny, Uncle Benny, Uncle Benny, your radio. You got to talk to your radio, Uncle Benny, rocking on.
And Uncle Benny, I'm talking to my radio. I said, hey Uncle Benny, I'm talking to my radio as my radio talks to me, big brother. Alright, big brother, we're gonna say good day, good day.